Today we will be doing thermal effects. So let's get started. So we have thermal instant crystals, chemical warmer, and hot and cold. Let's get this out. This out. We have some chemicals, some more chemicals, mineral filling, candles, metal cups, spinny straw, gloves on, glass is on. Let's get started. So first, we're going to do instant crystals. So first, prepare a stick with sodium acetate, CH3 kuna. So we're going to put this sodium acetate into this test tube which says sodium acetate, and we're going to put all of it in. So let's open this sodium acetate into the test tube. In the stick so the sodium acetate can stick to the pole. So let's put it in. There it is. Okay, now we're gonna get this cup. It says it's cold. If you haven't seen, it only turns up a color when it's warm. So we're gonna do 100 milliliters of hot water, and then I'll come back when it's ready. What happened after we got the water from? So the thermal indicator is very ready. So to do the thing that we need to, using 3 candles to warm the water up. So let's take the candles ready to boil the chemicals. Okay, now we're gonna put the lid on top, like that. Then we're now gonna put the chemicals on top. And now we're gonna let it boil. Now when we put this in, it's gonna melt the crystals. So we're gonna leave it in here. 15 minutes later. It melted. The crystals melted with the extreme heat. I'm gonna put the sodium oxide, which slash crystals, in here with really cold water. Now we wait. You see the crystals have been turned into liquid. Like the liquid is cool, now we're gonna put this in. Look at our instant crystals. If we didn't do this, it would take 1 week. So this is how we made instant crystals. First lesson completed. So now we're gonna do the next lesson of thermal effects, hot and cold. So danger not bad, duration 15 minutes. Safety, put on protective gloves and eyewear. Next one for safety, conduct the experiment on the safety underlay. So let's get started. CaCl2 crystals consist of Ca2 plus and C15. Particles neatly bound together, but they are quite happy to break apart and venture into the water. It takes heat energy to break the bonds between the particles in the crystal. So next we're going to put CaCl2, or you could say calcium chloride. So we're going to do 2 big spoons. So first we're going to fill this 1 spoon. And we're going to put it in here. Let's do another big spoon. Now we're putting the thermal indicator on. Now I'm going to do 3 milliliters of cool water. All right, ready, guys? Let's go. So now it's very hot. So this one's gonna rise up, the sun one, but this one won't because it's the cold one. When calcium fluoride dissolves, the chemicals in it becomes heat from the water. Now you can see the thermal indicator says it's hot. The thermal indicator on for this chemical. So we're gonna put that there. Now I'm putting 3 big spoons of urea. So let's take that out. Let's pour 1 spoon. Okay, now I want to put 4 milliliters in these chemicals. Now you have to stir this for 30 seconds. Very cold is what I feel. It's very cold. So it's pretty cold. The indicator shows it faint. Some chemicals produce cold, some produce heat. Our last one for today. Let's do chemical warmer from thermal effects. Our last one. Let's do it. Copper Cu, which is the part of CuSO4, is a less reactive metal than iron Fe. This means that copper is more inclined to be its metallic form than iron, and would be glad to switch places. Now I'm putting the thermal indicating in the mineral filling. Okay, now let's put this on the mineral filling. I'm putting 3 of iron in. 1. Now I'm putting 3 copper sulfate in the other one. Okay, now I'm gonna put sodium chlorate in each mixture. So now we're gonna take the bag out and shake them up. Okay, now we're gonna fill this to 5 all the way to the top, and we're gonna do that for all 3 of them. To do it to this mineral filling and the other mineral filling. We're gonna seal the bag and then knead it. Now let's do it like this. The chemicals produce heat. This is a thermal effect. That was thermal effects. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.